Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir and ma'am. I am Lisa de la Cruz Bautista. I am 38 years old and single, one children, 18 years old. And living from Consular Aradanan, Isabela. I have 4 brothers and 1 sisters, and I am the third of the family, and I am high school graduate.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
Yes, sir. I working in Kuwait as domestic helper in 2 years, 2 couples and 2 kids, aged 5 years old and 6 years old. And I do household, cleaning the house, washing dishes, I do laundry and cooking and ironing and many more. Also, I know how to taking care a newborn baby.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I always secure safety for when the baby is sick, and I check the temperature if the sick the baby, and I call my employer immediately.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work in abroad because I want to earn money to help my family needs and saving money for the future of my baby.
Okay, yeah. If you get hurt, who will take care of your children?
My parents, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I focus to my work. I remind to myself, I need his job.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working?
Usually, I'm asleep around 10 p.m. and after finish my work done, I wake up in 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'm more patient, calmer, dealing with them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.